So question 4 is another list problem with slicing. Over here we have the list things initialized to a list of 3 elements. So why don't we go ahead and just index them right off the bat. Here we have index 0, index 1, index 2, and let's do our negative indexing as well. So that's negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. And the next line of code sets a variable a equals to things, and we're taking a slice of things. However, this slice is a little different from the one we've seen in previous problems. This one is missing the first number here. And that's actually a Python shorthand for saying the beginning of the list. So when that first number is missing, and I'm going to write this as a comment, because this is not going to be exactly Python syntax, it's mostly to understand the concept. This is going to be almost equivalent to things from the start of the list to index 1. And that's what you should think of when you see that first number missing. So a is going to be equal to, we start at the beginning of the list and we go up to but not including index 1. And so the result of our slice is just going to be a list with the element 1 inside of it. If we look at the next statement, we have b is equal to things, and here's another slice, but here you'll notice that the second number is missing. And again, this is a Python shorthand, and in this case, because the second number is missing, it's shorthand for the end of the list. So we're going from negative 3 all the way to the end of the list. And we're going to grab the whole thing up to the end. So over here, if we look at index negative 3, it's this 1 right here. And we go negative 2, negative 1, and we go all the way to the end. So we end up grabbing the whole list in this case. And we'll say b is equal to slice, and then the slice will give us a 1, a negative 1, and a 0. And then the final line, we're printing the concatenation of a and b. So a is, we're just going to take that 1 from a and drop it in. That's going to give us 1, and then we're going to take the rest of the elements from b and we're going to add them to this list, and that will be our result. That will give us a.